Hello, good afternoon. I just want to introduce myself first. I am Elisa Explanation. I am the first reporter for the topic ELISA. ELISA, or also known as enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, is a plate-based assay technique designed for detecting and quantifying soluble substances such as peptides, proteins, antibodies, and hormones. It has also other name which is they called enzyme immunoassay. It is used to describe the same technology. ELISA is a powerful method for detecting and quantifying a specific protein in a complex mixture. The method enables analysis of protein samples immobilized in microplate wheels using specific antibodies. They are typically performed in 96-wheel or 384-wheel polystyrene plate which possibly bind antibodies and protein. Although ELISA is a powerful of well-characterized application, attempting to develop and optimize a specific assay can be difficult. The method involves the assembly of the large immunocomplex with the multiple components. These are the list of factors and variables: assay plate, coating buffer, capture antibody, blocking buffer, target antigen, detection antibody, enzyme conjugate, washes, substrate, and lastly, we have signal detection. In ELISA, there are 4 microplates, and those are modified polymer surfaces, antibody binding plate, biotin binding plate, and lastly is fusion tag binding plate. Next up is ELISA step by step. Number 1 is antibody coat. It is immobilized on high binding plates by overnight incubation. Plates are black with irrelevant protein, example is albumin. The second one is protein capture. It is a sample and standard dilution are added to the wheels and will be captured by the bound antibodies. The third one will be detection antibody. It means specific biotimility detection antibody is added to the wheel to enable detection of the captured protein. Next is streptavidin enzyme conjugate. Streptavidin conjugated with alkaline phosphate or horseradish peroxidase. It is added to the wheel and will be bind to the biotimulated antibody. Number 5 is addition to substrate. Calorimetric substrate is added to the wheel and will form a colored solution when catalyzed by the enzyme. The last one but not the least is analysis. Absorbance is measured in an ELISA reader and the amount of proteins in the samples is determined.